just as every bum's lot in life is his own responsibility, regardless of who he chooses to blame. I didn't blame anyone for the loss of my legs. Some Chinaman took them from me in Korea, but I went out and achieved anyway. I cannot solve your problem, sir. Only you can.
Oh, fuck it.
Oh, fuck it. Yes, that's your answer. That's your answer to everything. Tattoo it on your forehead. Your revolution is over, Mr. Lebowski. Condolences. The bomb's lost. My advice to you is to do what your parents did. Get a job, sir.
You're coming to a wooden bridge. When you cross the bridge, you throw the bag from the left window of the moving car. You're being watched.
Fuck.
What'd he say? Where's the handoff?
There is no fucking handoff, man. At the wooden bridge, we throw the money out of the car.
Huh?
We throw the money out of the moving car.
No, we can't do that, dude. That fucks up our plan.
Well, call them up and explain it to them, Walter. Your plan is so fucking simple. I'm sure they'll fucking understand it. That's the beauty of it.
Wooden bridge, huh?
We're throwing the money, Walter. We're not fucking around, man.
Okay, dude, the bridge is coming up. Give me the ringer. Chop, chop.
Fuck that. Walter, I love you, but sooner or later you're gonna have to face the fact you're a goddamn moron.
Okay, dude, no time to argue.
Hey, man.
The bridge.
Hey, Walter. Hey, Walter. Hey, Walter.
There goes the ringer.
What the fuck?
Okay, dude, your wheel. 15 mph, I roll out. I double back, I grab one of them and beat it out of them. The Uzi.
Lucy.
You didn't think I was rolling out of your neck, did you?
Walter,
15, dude, this is it.
Walter.
Take that hill. Ah, fuck it, dude. Let's go bold.
Looks like your mother really was kidnapped after all.
She most certainly was not.
Hey, man, why don't you fucking listen occasionally? You might learn something. Now, I got...
Please don't call her my mother. She's most definitely the perpetrator and not the victim.
I'm telling you, I got pretty definitive evidence.
From who?
From the main guy, Uli.
Uli Kunkel? Her co-star in the Beaver picture?
Beef? You mean vagina? I mean, you know the guy?
I might have introduced him for all I know. You remember Uli? He's a musician, used to have a group, Autobahn. Look in my LPs. They released one album in the late 70s. Their music is sort of a techno-pop. So he's pretending to be the abductor.
Well, yeah.
Look, Jeffrey, you don't really kidnap someone you're acquainted with. The whole idea is that the hostage can't be able to identify you after you've let them go.
Well, I know that.
And so, Theodore Donald Karabatsos, in accordance with what we think your dying wishes might well have been, we commit your final mortal remains to the bosom of the Pacific Ocean, which you loved so well. Good night, sweet prince. Oh shit, dude, I'm sorry.